All right, lean in close. I need to ask you a seriously uncomfortable question. When was the last time you were truly, completely alone with your own thoughts? No phone, no notifications, no background noise. Just you. For most of us, that thought is terrifying. We'd rather fill every single second with scrolling, with podcasts, with other people's drama, anything to avoid the silence. But what if I told you that the secret to becoming unstoppable, the key to that insane level of success and confidence you see in people you admire, isn't about adding more to your life? It's about subtracting. It's about disappearing. Not forever, just for 6 months. I'm talking about a voluntary 6-month ghost mode, where you consciously decide to step back from the noise, the opinions, the endless feed, and you step into the lab to build. Imagine it. 6 months from now, you could be a completely different person. A person with a skill people pay for. A body that feels strong and capable. A mind that's calm and focused. That's not a fantasy. That's a choice. This isn't about being antisocial. It's about being pro-you. It's about realizing that you can't build the empire of your dreams in the middle of a crowded, noisy marketplace. You need to go build it in private. Here's how you do it. Phase 1, the digital purge. The first step is the hardest. You have to mute the world. This means a full social media detox. Delete the apps off your phone. All of them. You're not quitting forever. You're just quitting for right now. Tell your friends you're going off-grid for a bit to focus on a big project. The real ones will understand. The ones who get mad? That tells you everything you need to know. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Stop giving it away for free. Phase 2, the identity shift. Right now, you're probably known as the funny one or the reliable friend, or maybe just during your disappearance, you get to decide who you become. This is your time to become the student, the apprentice, the athlete, the creator. This means your entire focus shifts inward. Your conversations are with authors through books. Your training is with your own body. Your creation is for your own craft. You stop telling people what you're going to do, and you just silently go do it. Phase 3, the non-negotiable trinity. Every single day of your 6 months, you do 3 things without fail. It doesn't have to be for hours. It just has to be consistent. Level up your mind. 30 minutes of learning something that actually matters. A coding language, a course on investing, reading philosophy, studying copywriting, something that adds a real skill. Level up your body, 30 minutes of movement. A run, a workout, yoga, a long walk. This isn't about getting ripped. It's about building the discipline of showing up for yourself every single day. It tells your brain you're serious. Level up your craft. 60 minutes of deep work on your one thing. The project, the skill, the art that you want to be known for. This is sacred, uninterrupted time. That's 2 hours a day. That's it. 2 hours that 99% of people will waste scrolling or watching other people live fake lives. In 6 months, that's 360 hours of pure, undiluted growth. That is more than enough to completely transform you. Phase 4, embrace the suck. It's going to get lonely. There will be Friday nights you stay in. There will be moments you feel like you're missing out. This is the test. This is where most people quit. They can't handle the quiet. But if you can sit with that discomfort, something magical happens. You stop needing external validation. You stop craving the spotlight. You find a deeper, more powerful validation that comes from within. You become your own source of fuel. Then, one day, the 6 months are up. You don't just come back to the world. You re-enter it. And you are not the same person. You walk differently. You talk differently. You have a quiet confidence that doesn't need to announce itself. People will look at you and say, "Whoa, what happened to you? You seem different." And you'll just smile, because you'll know you didn't just change your habits. You changed your entire identity. You disappeared to find the person you were always meant to be. The question is, are you brave enough to vanish? If this lit a fire in you, if you're ready to bet on yourself, then do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This is just the beginning. We're building a community of people who are done watching live from the sidelines. And if you feel called to support this mission directly, to help me create more content that can change lives, check out the Patreon link in the description below. is the single biggest way you can support this channel, and I am genuinely, deeply grateful to every single person who chooses to join. Thank you for believing in this. Now go. Your future self is waiting in the silence. Go find them.